How to fix presets not showing in Lightroom Mobile. First of all, make sure your Lightroom app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions can prevent presets from showing properly. Next, check that you are signed in with the same Adobe account where your presets were originally saved or purchased. Presets synced to a different account will not appear in the library. If your presets still don't appear, go to the Presets sections in Lightroom, tap the three dots and select Manage Presets. Make sure your custom presets or downloaded preset groups are enabled. Sometimes presets are hidden if they are turned off in this menu. Finally, restart Lightroom app. Now you know how to fix presets not showing in Lightroom Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.